Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp number is banned problem. To know how to fix WhatsApp number is banned problem, you should just go to settings like this. We will click here, and when you will see this page, you will go down to find you will click here, apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp here, and you will click like this. After that, in this page, you will go to force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage here. Then in this page, you will click clear cache, and after that, you will click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.